What's up, guys? I'm Matt, and it's Wednesday, so you know what time it is. It's time for some shout-outs. As always, I'll be leaving a link to each person I shout out in the description below. And if you guys would like a shout-out next Wednesday, please leave a comment asking for one on this video. So today I'm going to be shouting out Pikachu Gang, Mama Cyndifer's Toy Unboxing, Robbie Lee, and by special request from the movie Anchorman, excuse this loud noise for any headphone wearers, warning now, but a very special shout out to FCP! So, go ahead and check these channels out. If you want a shout out, again, please leave a comment down below, and I will give you a shout out next Wednesday. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more of these videos coming out real soon, go ahead and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again real soon.